Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the Sea of Textures bundle, and we are going to be making this cute little thank you card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to start with our stamping, and I have Night of Navy, and I have a piece of Whisper White. And then for the Sea of Textures, we're going to be using Thanks for Reaching Out and the Octopus. And you can get this in a bundle with the matching framelits for 10% off. And I have this mounted on clear block D. So just like that, I'm going to put that aside. And then I have a MINT-MACARON, and this one is in the new stamp pad. I don't know if you've seen them yet, but they're very easy to open, like a compact, and then you just slide it over. And then I have the Wood Textures and the Thanks for Reaching Out, and that's mounted on clear block B. All right, so just like that, and then it's very easy to close as well. Okay, so let's start with our big shot work. Okay, so I have the thin die adapter, and then let me just trim these down so that we can get more on there for time's sake. Okay, so we have the octopus, and then we have the matching framelit. And then I have my little words. And from the Apron Builder dies, I have the little rectangle here. Let's center that. And I also have the rolling pin from the Apron Builder die. And then on Crumb Cake, I have the net and some sand dollars. And we might be able to get this last piece. Okay, so I have Tranquil Tide and these little seaweeds. All right, yay, we were able to get everything on. So we will make our sandwich and run it through. Oops. All right, try this again. And I'm going to go ahead and run it back the opposite way. All right, so we got all our pieces. right, and we can start putting this card together. And my card base is MINT-MACARON, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I've scored it at 4 1/4. And then I have Night of Navy as my layering piece, and that's cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So we'll just center that. And then I have the, excuse me, the Tranquil Textures Designer Series paper, and that's cut at 3 3/4 by 5. And we will center that. Look how simple these pieces come out, guys. And as you run your fingernail across, it kind of gives it like that curled up look, which is the look that I'm going for. All right, so we have our little octopus and our seaweed. And I'm not too sure if we're going to use the sand dollars or not, but I thought, heck, might as well. We got a little bit of extra paper to use. So, all right. So I want to kind of put that there. So I'm going to pop that up with a dimensional. And for the look that I'm going for, I only want one. All right, so just like that. And then I'm going to pop up our little octopus. Might be able to use one more right here. And I want to hide that dimensional, so I'm going to use his little hand right there. And now I have my little rolling pin, and I'm just going to snip off the end there on both sides. And then I'm going to come in with my snail. Just like that, maybe a little bit lower. Yeah. And now I'm going to come in with a glue dot. Like that. And I'm going to take another glue dot and put our seaweed down with that. Let's see. Let me get my Tombow And I'm just going to put a thin little layer. And I think I want that behind the net, just like that. All right, so my sand dollars, I think I will put one here. Yeah, I'm going to put one here, and I'm going to go ahead and put that down with multi-purpose liquid glue. And then I'm going to take the center from the bigger one and then just put a tad on there and put that up at the top. So there you have it, a sea of textures, so thank you card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Have a great day. Bye.